Do you love fair food? I know I do. And you can't get it all year. So I have a 6-minute recipe to get you a little taste of that fare. Check it out. We have, oh yeah, but wait, we also have these. So today we're gonna do fried Twinkies. It's literally 6 minutes. It's so easy. But we're not using a fryer, we're using our air fryer. You set it to 350 degrees. You let it warm up for only 2 minutes. And then you get your Twinkies. I am doing the original one. You set it in. Now, I just start mine face up. You set them in there. And you close it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my microwave because I don't have the clock on my phone right now. So what you do is you put them in for 1 minute and then we're going to flip them. But during that 1 minute, I got these for us to try. I got these on Etsy. Have you ever tried freeze-dried food? I haven't till recently, but this is freeze-dried ice cream. And they're little ice cream sandwiches. Like, how cute are these? It's ice cream sandwiches in Neapolitan. And you can get them on Etsy for, like, really cheap. Oh my god. Not going back. That really literally tastes like ice cream. If you've never tried freeze-dried and you're new to it like I am, they're so good. And you're supporting a local business or a small business when you do this. Really good. Oh my goodness. I think I already ate all the strawberry though. Look how cute they are as chocolate. Now it's time to flip our Twinkies. Let's do that real quick. So, take them and you flip them over so the bottom's now facing you. Put them back in. I'm going to reset this for 1 more minute. Okay, so that's it. Just 1 more minute. So while we're going through this minute, I got freeze-dried Oreos to try. Those are really good, so I can only imagine what Oreos taste like. Oh my goodness. If I can get the bag open. Dummy me forgot my glasses, so sorry. Alright. Freeze-dried Oreos. Let's check them out. Look at this thing. Like double stuffed freeze-dried Oreos. Well. Oh yeah. I'm going to be bouncing off the wall after this sugar because, you know, of course, I already made a batch of Twinkies. Those are really good. Etsy, check them out. Freeze-dried. You can get freeze-dried anything. It is so good. All right. 5 seconds, guys. And then we're going to do you could do any topping you want. We're going to do something very simple. I almost went in the microwave. All right, they are done. Now, when I made my first batch, I like burnt my finger. So I'm going to just go ahead and use a fork. Then I'll move the camera so you guys can see. Now, the sponge yellow original Twinkie looks, you know, fried. The chocolate one doesn't, but when I tell you that the chocolate one tastes like it's fried, believe me when I tell you. All right, sorry guys, I don't want to make you dizzy. But I have limited counter space here. All right, so here they are. How cute are those? Oh my goodness. So I got myself, let me open it up, some Hershey's syrup. We're just going to drizzle it on. Let's make it extra sweet. Now, I did not put it on the chocolate the first time around. That is totally your decision. You don't have to put anything on. And then we have, oh yeah, what makes anything a little bit better but a little bit of powdered sugar. Now let them sit for just a minute or so, and that helps them get just a little bit more crispy. You can eat them straight out. You can eat them in 5 minutes. It's not gonna be bad. Just make sure you leave them to cool enough for yourself or for children that you don't want the nice cream center to burn their tongues or their lips or anything. But Put those down and let's get you back up here. Hello. Just me and my camera, as we all know if you've watched my other videos. If you haven't, make sure you check them out. All right, guys, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Crispy, good. It tastes like a fried Twinkie. You guys need to try it. If you decide to try it, put it in the comments. I would love to know how you guys like these recipes. So far, so good, I think. Let's try the chocolate. Very good. Very good. And that's it today, guys. That's it. That's a recipe we whipped up in less than 5 minutes. And that's something great you guys can do with your kids for slumber parties, adult parties. They are so, so good. So good. But I have another video coming where we're going to use Twinkies again. I promised you a milkshake video. And that milkshake video is coming this week. And we're not talking just regular. I will, of course, teach you how to do a milkshake. But the toppings, just remember Twinkies. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. And have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.